Freme Ohuma Afakuma Kaswa Onashe J Nama channel.
Abusia mema kwaba ewo ginyame channel so ene ye ba bedi abroche nkomo o abroche na ahweme a especially America enkomo na outai ko Ghana American embassy ewo Ghana no oma issue statement bia oma clarifications bia so ye citizen na wo America na otukwan akọ Ghana mpese mema o ya we sade we ya taye pa but answer na me start me conversation ene no topic na me no ba be discuss no o hwe mata de hyemi ya Tripgo and address me Tripgo app no and na demo fefe kama no new app aba navigational app or Dallas potemu ha boapa save gas mileage tolls any traffic and sane mane no and to download na ebeboa o iOS Apple na wo ho and I say Android Google Play Store and also ho download ya na install baby a person ko bia to nyina ebesibu na yiwe from na hu baby a ne bo den no utimi set na bibia kama Ghana ni any develop ye since san develop app ma vendors Ghana community Dallas nyina nti so business bi na ye na pese obiebo hu de Roman na pese obie hu a say the offer app ne Craigslist and Facebook marketplace ko ho ultimate access information sa pepepe into post near man business info na realtor ketra sa near ni nyina no o de mana o de be share app no mti se de hwewa yibi ho ye free nti no aya na wafre elder Sam a champion on also obeboa yo yanko a discussion so no American embassy wo Ghana issue a statement why clarification said them di kankan no especially omo America omo citizen no onya ye citizen pe no ma ye American passport amount nti no still ebu ho moje Ghana passport na ebu ho omonje na se utimi ko Ghana so ba wo akwanya se wo yeden obetimi enya Ghana passport because American states no believe in dual citizenship obetimi age American passport no blue no age Ghana passport na ye green no so no but why clarification say ba se utu kwan akọ Ghana osro okwa fa American passport no ko o banso a fa American passport na abra se okọ Ghana o de visa no se de visa no pepepe no na ko ruwe ho pa but asaya na yebu yeni egusu kakra but se de Trump by de or insist rules ni nyina cause wo ho a okọ no de no de Ghana passport no ekọ oba America no de American passport na ba ebi ani embo mu omnim de nti asese omasesa na omoye ne sa ebia na hu ma menredi kakra enchero or saying reminder just say into say reminder US citizens including dual nationals must enter and depart the United States in a valid US passport regardless of age or possession of foreign passport and found any age any foreign passport ukra who free America akokru fufro so for American passport no ko ura America mun so for American passport ne bra on best stamp se o ko no amfa nko na de kru fufro na ekru no passport ko no mo stamp sta kru no so na oba na de America de ne ba no man stamp a ebia waso be hye immigration ne ma no se de omomfe ni agro ntino onua mesro se obehye we nso no ay careful anyesa de omosesa ne ma no waso be hye wanya da achi obedi dokonkwa o say US embassy Ghana passport PSA for US dual nationals US citizens are required to enter and depart the United States on a US passport. This requirement applies equally to US citizens, including children who are dual nationals. Dual nationals US citizens may not use their foreign passport to apply for an electronic travel authorization ESTA. The Department of Homeland Security routinely denies or cancels ESTAs for dual nationals US citizens. If you are a US citizen or national and live abroad and plan to travel to the United States, make sure you do so with a valid US passport. If your US passport is expired or expires soon, renew before your trip. Passports should generally be valid at least 6 months after the date of entry to a foreign country. Oh, abusia we dem say self explanatory wa church ase bebre, but the top form nyina ne say oye dual citizen na wo American passport no na say wo Ghana passport na o ko outside America for American passport ne ko e best stamp amount wanka se best stamp, but it's likely say best stamp ni ehun say we free mu o ban so a omo so be noti no me hu say wasia ba inside, but o koni and stamp ama na de Ghana de no kwa o ba untim for America de nemba. It's either say ebia omo ma won emba ena say passport no so no eyewu na ka 6 months na ewu a eso make you so be renew answer. It's likely say ebia Homeland Security for no, custom for no, ebia omo ma won rem nti process e wo no nti hye nso na ye careful some aba obetutu kwan ne sa ne ma first no o kwa ultimate Ghana de no ko any Ghana card no obi anya ohwe oba na the American passport no na de aba almost obi anya ohwe sisi omo check sa ne ma ni nyina nti pese wasomdwo na no delays bia ko ye delay kakra bia wanya be miss flight o me so flight nso a it kafofro anche wanya anse na ebebo akiri kra no yanka sasan kra na akonsmp onso bi ka waje off wo adwuma waka creative days akodi bibia na true off na ase obi bia na waboka intebusua ginyame channel na me ka chro so me sure say obehye nso na why careful we a reminder which means say wo hodida especially ye bani assessment ne naturalization ne age American passport no, so green card and a womb there it doesn't apply to you. Green card here still you are entitled to use your national passport na Ghana passport green one ntino won qualify so bit me use American passport won need ntino wo green card here we there emfa ho okoto there ye pai etiare dura na wada on there enka no ntino we there emfa ho we Ghana for my citizen still kra Ghana passport no we are it's usable, it's valid with me use no yeah American accept the dual citizenship no, you can have both passports no America and Ghana there, but America for the almost say ko free omukru no makwa for America passport no ko fa bibia o banso for American passport no so fa bibia, because sometimes no so okwa na se bibi to America citizens for ni nyina omo de form of first na okwe one coin in the name of American passport o de Ghana na de na akọ enyom system nim se obia wo ho nti omo ni udita na bibia sia na ye befa wa na ya mfa wa na ebia beka se o ya America ni na bibia si no omo yiwe ja na omo ja ho so na mistake ni free o ebia na onim nti me ye video we nam dey remind you no da ho so no I careful say o ma careful o metimi abo wa sign kra, because o ko no ma stamp na oba na de foforo na eba na se o mo stamp ya obi o mo hu se utu shemu ana se bia ye store we ana se o fa hen na call you cause o fa border bia is likely say on best stamp nti o mo stamp a na oko oba mo stamp anyesa wanya your point of entry no uberoma wasobeyeshi intebusia enkomo a mepese mema ya we no ginyame channel de yesua de ye inform ye entertain we de onso ye den obetimi e de ada ho so na onso wa hya ma onua na onso nya some information, especially Ghana for ye wo abrochire no eye America no win ene koma e pa sisi ototo ama ebubu nkrofo dan Ghana ban no omani abre ama sisi no osi dan oto asase no ambo ekira wasobeyehye nti A4 properties ofre na baby asase no drainage eno mayi bibia tum light post bibia street bibia deda na akwan mu na ene wanya wasase kama opeso sima wa obisi dan na ma pepepe na ene so rutua na nka flexible term of payment na rutua na nkakra omwe asase ne bi airport hills wo Pukwasi interchange no ebru side no obi so Kumasi ne tema nyina ntupe bia obeye abeboa na onso no wanya edan ni bi na so dachi no reta odi otu akwakoto ntebusia aha ene brememe ekwane edi enen komande nso betie na wahye na ama onua ne nyina nya futue medase yakra mu nyina. Bye.
Looking for the ultimate weekend vibes? Get ready for the biggest link up of the summer. Angie Winners Kitchen presents Winners Gathering 2026. Theme: Ghana meets Niger. It's a celebration of good food, great music, interactive games, next level networking with varied professionals, community support system, and current opportunities. We will also be showcasing delicious, authentic Nigeria, Liberia, South Africa, Kenya, Cameroon, and Ghanaian dishes like fufu, konkonte, banku, tuezafi, eba, egusi, amala, potato grains, GB savory stews, soups, and incredible flavors. This is exactly where you need to be this summer. Bring your competitive spirit for the games or just come to connect and unwind with amazing people. There will be entertaining games such as Ludo, Oware, PlayStation, live FIFA discussions, charade, space battle, tag of peace, snooker, and many more. This is happening live on Sunday, August 9th, 2026. Time 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. at 701 East Pania, Arlington, Texas. For more information, call us on 972-854-6161. Winners Gathering 2026, where winners eat and connect. See you there.